magic that the water is. And you need to change that color to match. The water now has to have a light variation of the actual rock color itself to give that. It's how it is. It's disinhibited. They are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also removed from these phonological
psychodynamics, which is sort of like the interrelationship or the interrelation between the conscious, the unconscious, emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminal.
So being able to write increments. When you double the